Alright guys, what is up? I am back. It has been a minute since I've made a video, but I promise I haven't stopped fishing. I've just been real busy with some other stuff. But tonight we're gonna do a little bit of bow fishing. The winds are looking so-so. The weather's looking so-so. Looks like we might get some rain later tonight, but we'll see. Gonna be doing the new boat, the 1648. I got the deck on here, all the lights. Big Jenny back there. So anyway, I'm excited. We're gonna see how it goes. Let's get to it. Let's see if we can't get on some biggins. So let's go for it.
TV longos. There you go. Hey, nice.
There we go. All on the board now. Get him, dude. Oh, that was right behind him.
That was deep, too.
He would have been just a little bit more to the right, I think.
Oh, this guy. Get him.
Oh! No.
Hell yeah. You want to help?
I think I dang near pinned him to the rocks, dude. There you go. What is that?
Oh God, nice comment.
Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Are y'all seeing fish?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna hop on a trolling motor. That was a hard shot.
No.
Oh, he just broke me off.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
What was it?
It was a gar, dude.
I thought
Kidding me?
I
Aim low. Get him.
got him. Dude,
Here you.
him.
Oh, I got one too. I think mine pops off.
Look at that.
I don't know what that is, but I shot it. Oh, stoned him. Couldn't tell if it was a carp or a buffalo.
He was asleep. You can call him when he's asleep.
Oh. What?
No. There you go. Damn, I should have done that. Let me get him out of here. That's a gar.
Take him.
What? Oh, what? He's like opening his mouth.
Hey, short nose gar. And that is what we're gonna call it tonight. So we ended off tonight. It was a pretty slow night overall. We spent, I don't even know how long we spent on the water. We got out there at 9 and got back to the boat ramp at like 6:30 in the morning. So we were out there all night. It was pretty brutal. I'm super tired right now. We didn't do very good. Didn't see any grassies. Saw one big long nose, but that's it. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it went. On the way back, the winds got pretty bad and we had some serious chop on the water. So I'll show you my strap right here that holds this deck just from sliding back. Actually broke, so I had to retie it right there, but that's all right. We can work that. We got back just fine. Got a little wet, but it also got cold. But anyway, that's where we're gonna end it off today. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe And leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about this video. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all later.